Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening WhatsApp and navigating to Settings, then Account, Privacy. This is where control lives. Choose who sees your profile photo, everyone, my contacts, or nobody. This prevents unknown users from viewing and screenshotting your DP. Once done, enable your phone's screen lock and WhatsApp lock to add a physical barrier. Make sure the app is updated, because privacy patches matter. By acting now, you limit exposure immediately and set up the next protective measures. Now tighten your choices. Switch DP visibility to my contacts or nobody so strangers can't access your image. This reduces screenshot risk directly. Also consider using a cropped or intentionally low-detail photo. Less identifiable detail lowers misuse potential. You can alternatively post a temporary status or a blurred version of your image for short periods, because transient or low-resolution images are less valuable to someone taking screenshots. These steps work together. Finish by verifying your settings. Use a secondary account or ask a trusted contact to confirm they can't see your DP if set to nobody. If someone still screenshots, change the picture immediately and message contacts to request deletion. Social pressure can help. For technical issues, clear WhatsApp cache, reinstall the app, and review permissions to ensure nothing's overriding privacy. If problems continue, update your OS. Sometimes system bugs allow unexpected sharing, and updates patch those vulnerabilities.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.